Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing hardware and software to create a clean image from the Xbox 360 disc. Connect a compatible DVD drive to your PC or use the console to dump with a patched firmware. This preserves the original disc structure. Once done, launch an XGD3aware rip tool and select correct region and read mode so files aren't corrupted. Make sure to save raw ISO and log files into dedicated folders. This makes verification and later extraction straightforward and repeatable. Once you have a verified ISO, mount it with an Xbox 360aware tool to access the file system. You'll extract the content folder, default, ZEX, and any update or DLC packages. This preserves executable structure so the game can be rebuilt or analyzed. Make sure to keep original timestamps and check file sizes because mismatches indicate read errors. If cryptographic or hash checks fail, re-rip the problematic sectors or try alternate drive settings. Doing so prevents silent corruption. To finish, repackage extracted files into a properly aligned image or Fanatics container, ensuring metadata and sector sizes match Xbox 360 expectations. You then test the repack on an emulator or modified console. This confirms compatibility before wide use. If the game fails to boot or crashes, verify hashes, inspect region flags and default, ZEX dependencies, and re-extract or re-rip any suspect files. Finally, keep incremental backups and logs so you can reproduce steps and resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.